If you're looking for information on the Straico Lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Straico Lifetime deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Straico Lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Embrace your inner AI hero. With Straico, your creative and productive superpowers are limitless. Let them fly high, experience the freedom to express yourself, and achieve extraordinary results. Join today and harness the supercharged AI capabilities to enhance your productivity like never before. Unleash your creativity. Discover the ultimate convenience of having the most powerful AI tools in one platform. With Straico, experience a seamless and user-friendly interface that allows you to explore the boundless potential of generative AI. Enhance productivity and unleash your creativity with ease. Unlock your AI superpowers. Discover a range of top-quality generative AI tools for content and visuals, and approach the future with assurance. Use a generative AI platform packed with content writing tools and an image generator to enhance productivity. Smart prompt templates. Gain access to a set of pre-made prompt tools that make it easy to generate written content, code snippets, and visually appealing creations. Personalized prompt tools. Create personalized prompt tools to save time and avoid the need for repetitive typing of the same prompts. AI-generated image creation and editing. Create visually captivating images using AI technology. ROM your text descriptions. Achieve the ideal outcome by customizing the style, size, and quantity to your liking. Instant PDF analysis. You can easily upload a PDF and obtain useful information by inquiring about different topics, such as contracts, proposals, and others. Voice notes with speech-to-text. Our chat functionality now has the ability to utilize OpenAI Whisper speech-to-text technology, which makes it effortless to communicate through voice notes. Integrated prompt tools within your AI assistant. Incorporate pre-established cues in your chats with your AI personal assistant to encourage lively and engaging interactions. Straico is an all-in-one AI platform that generates text and visual content. It allows you to create personalized prompt tools and store and modify your creations within the platform. You can boost productivity with custom prompt tools that you can reuse again and again. Predefined prompt tools are also available to create written content, code snippets, and engaging visuals. With Straico, you can create and edit AI-generated images just by entering a text description and choosing the right style, size, and quantity. The platform is packed with powerful AI content generation tools and predetermined prompts to supercharge your content creation process. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Straico today. One-time purchase of $49 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.